How to link, view and use your Nectar card within the Sainsbury. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to link, view and use your Nectar card in the Sainsbury's app. So for that case, you have to first of all go to open up a browser and log in into your Sainsbury's account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page you should be able to see the interface something like this. So there are different ways of doing it, or adding your Nectar card. So I'm going to show you the first method on how you can do it. First thing, you can go to my account, and when you are on the my account section, scroll down a bit and you could go to payment card. After you click on payment card, you could go ahead and press on add a new card, and right on this page you could directly go ahead and enter in the name of the card and the card number, expiry date and all of that, and click on add this card, and the Nectar card will be added to your card after reviewing all of the information. And the step number 2 on how you can do is head back to your home page once again, and you can see right on top there are a list of tabs. So then you could go ahead and directly press on the Nectar. After that, it's going to take you to this page. You could either go ahead and join the Nectar, or you could add your card. So click on add your Nectar, and over here enter in the Nectar card number and click on add Nectar, and you have successfully added. And to view the Nectar card, you have to go to your summary page or to your payment section, and then you should be able to view it. And likewise, to use the Nectar card, you can use it as a way of payment method during the purchase of your item, and that's how you can go ahead and link, view as well as use your Nectar card within the Sainsbury's app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.